Do you desire a toned physique and to lose belly fat? With some easy exercises at home, you can accomplish them with ease. Exercise is crucial since it helps in calorie burning and the reduction of body fat, particularly belly fat. Additionally, working out in the privacy and convenience of your own home may be quite useful. The following 6 exercises may be performed at home to lose belly fat. 1. Plank. Simple exercises like the plank are excellent for body toning and losing belly fat. It is simple to do and may be done anywhere, either at home or in a park. To perform a plank, begin by performing a push-up. Hold this stance for 30 to 60 seconds rather than performing a push-up. Throughout, be sure to maintain a straight back and use your core muscles. Planking is a fantastic workout for your abdominal muscles and belly fat. It helps to make you appear taller and thinner by strengthening your core and enhancing your posture. Your muscles will grow stronger the longer you can maintain the plank posture, which will speed up the process of losing belly fat. Plank is another low-impact workout that won't harm your joints or result in any injuries. As a result, it's a fantastic workout for people of all ages and fitness levels, even if you're just getting started. Try several versions of the plank exercise, such as the side plank, elbow plank, or even a one-arm plank, if you want to make it even more difficult. You may target different muscle groups and increase the difficulty of your workout by using these modifications. Therefore, if you want to lose belly fat, start by performing plank exercises every day. How fast you start to notice results will astound you. 2. Russian twists. Your core muscles, which are the ones in your back and abdomen, benefit greatly from Russian twists as a workout. Russian twists are a great method to begin moving while also enhancing your strength and flexibility. This is how to perform a Russian twist. 1. Take a seat on the floor with your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent. 2. With your elbows bent, join your hands together in front of your chest. 3. Slightly recline while maintaining a straight back and strong abs. 4. Rotate your body in a doorknob-like motion by twisting it to one side and then to the other. Maintain your backward and forward twisting while being mindful to simply move your waist. 5. As you twirl, keep your hands firmly clasped and your feet planted on the ground. 6. Aim to perform 10 to 20 twists on each side before pausing. Russian twists are a fun way to begin moving while also being an excellent workout for strengthening and stretching your core. Just remember to pay attention to your body's needs and take rests if necessary. 3. Bicycle crunches. An enjoyable and efficient workout to tone your abdominal muscles is the bicycle crunch. This exercise is a fantastic all-around core workout since it works your abs, obliques, the sides of your waist, and lower back. What to do is as follows. 1. Lay on the ground on your back with your hands behind your head. 2. Bring your knees up to your chest while raising your head and shoulders. 3. Straighten out one leg and point the opposing elbow in its direction. Change sides, extending the opposite leg straight out and pointing the opposite elbow in that direction. 1 rep equals this. 4. As many repetitions as you can do while maintaining proper technique, complete 10 to 15 rounds of switching sides. 5. Keep in mind to move slowly and deliberately, and avoid pulling your neck with your hands. Try some bicycle crunches to see how they feel. They're a great and enjoyable technique to tone your abs. Just keep in mind to breathe and regulate your motions using your abs. 4. Mountain climbers. Exercises like mountain climbers, which target the entire body but mainly the legs, abdomen, and arms, are enjoyable and beneficial. They're a fantastic technique to increase your heart rate and strengthen your stamina. Start in a push-up posture with your hands under your shoulders and your feet on the ground to perform mountain climbers. Maintain a straight back and a firm core. Then, as if you were jogging in place, alternating bringing each knee up to your chest. Move swiftly while maintaining a steady pace. Maintaining proper form is crucial for mountain climbers. Be sure to maintain a straight back and a firm core. Additionally, try to avoid flaring out your elbows to the sides. Instead, maintain them tight to your sides. You will get a greater overall workout as a result of this increased triceps work. By moving your legs more quickly or by including a plyometric leap after each exercise, you may make mountain climbers tougher. Your heart and legs will work harder as a result. A pleasant workout that can be performed anywhere, with or without equipment, is mountain climbing. They're a fantastic technique to increase your heart rate and strengthen your stamina. Why not give them a try now and see how they may make you feel more physically fit and strong? 5. Burpees. Arms, legs, abs, and the heart are all worked out with burpees, a full body workout. They can be performed anywhere, with or without equipment, and are a wonderful way to get a short yet hard exercise. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and perform a burpee. Next, stoop down and put your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into the push-up stance quickly. Perform one push-up, then leap from your feet to your hands. As you jump into the air with your arms up, stand up. Start the following rep as soon as you touch down. When performing burpees, it's critical to maintain proper form. Make sure you perform your push-ups with proper technique, a straight back, and a firm core. Additionally, to lessen the strain on your joints, try to land lightly and keep your feet together as you jump. Burpees may be made simpler by refraining from leaping into the air, or performing a modified push-up on your knees, as opposed to your toes. Additionally, you may increase their difficulty by doing a more challenging push-up, or by adding a plyometric hop to the conclusion of each rep. Burpees may be performed anywhere, with or without equipment, and are a fun and demanding workout. They are an excellent technique to work out quickly and intensely, and may make you feel stronger and fitter. So why not give them a try right away to see whether they can assist you in achieving your fitness goals? 6. Sit-ups. Exercises that target your abdominal muscles and help build your core include sit-ups, which are quick, easy, and efficient. They are a terrific method to get quick exercise and can be done anywhere, with or without equipment. Start by laying down on your back on a mat or the floor to perform a sit-up. Put your feet level on the ground while bending your knees. Then position your hands behind your head while maintaining an outstretched elbow position. Your lower back should remain pushed to the ground while you pull your upper body toward your knees using your abdominal muscles. Be careful not to allow your head or neck to fall back as you lower your upper body down to the ground. It's crucial to maintain proper form while performing sit-ups. Avoid using your arms to lift your upper body, and avoid letting your head or neck sag. Additionally, make sure your lower back remains flat on the floor, and that your hips do not lift off the floor. Keeping your feet flat on the floor, or putting your hands on your thighs rather than behind your head will help make sit-ups simpler. Holding a weight on your chest or performing an advanced exercise like the Russian twist may both make the exercises difficult. Both toddlers and adults can benefit greatly from sit-up exercises. They can assist you in developing a stronger core, which can enhance your posture and lower your chance of developing back problems. So why not give them a try right now and discover how they might make you feel more powerful and self-assured? Start getting in shape and toning your abs right now. Try these simple workouts right away in the convenience of your own home. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and workout routines. Let's get started on your fitness journey together.